If you're over 60 and have diabetes, you could be unknowingly harming your body every single day. But there's a shocking secret. 5 essential vitamins that doctors say can protect your organs, stabilize your blood sugar, and boost your energy naturally. And most seniors aren't taking them. Imagine reversing years of hidden damage with just simple daily habits. It is easier than you think, and life-changing. Managing diabetes after 60 isn't just about controlling sugar. It's about protecting your heart, your kidneys, and even your brain. Every day that goes by without the right nutrients, your risk of complications grows silently. Nerve damage, memory issues, weakened immunity, and even dangerous heart problems. Many seniors think they're doing enough, but the truth is, a hidden vitamin deficiency could be making everything worse. This isn't fear-mongering. It's science-backed reality that thousands overlook. According to the American Diabetes Association, seniors with low levels of vitamins B12, D, magnesium, omega-3s, and vitamin C have a 40% higher risk of serious complications. Doctors are genuinely shocked at how common these deficiencies are and how easily they can be corrected. It's not about expensive treatments or extreme diets. It's about adding these 5 vitamins the right way, consistently. The results? Improved energy, stronger immunity, and protection against silent damage that can ruin quality of life. Step 1. Vitamin B12. Vitamin B12. After 60, your body struggles to absorb enough B12 from food. And low B12 can silently steal your energy, damage nerves, and even affect memory. Doctors recommend 500 to 1,000 micrograms daily, either through supplements or B12-rich foods like salmon, eggs, or fortified cereals. Imagine waking up with energy you haven't felt in years, sharper focus, and nerves protected from silent damage. Many seniors are shocked when they learn how vital this vitamin is, yet it is often overlooked in regular checkups. Are you already taking B12? Comment below. Your experience could help someone else avoid hidden damage. Step 2. Vitamin D. Vitamin D. Most people think it's only for bones, but it does so much more. Vitamin D regulates blood sugar, reduces inflammation, and boosts immunity. Seniors who take 1,000 to 2,000 IU daily, especially those with limited sun exposure, report better energy, improved mood, and more resilience against illnesses. Missing out on vitamin D is like leaving your body unprotected against silent diabetes complications. Think of your body as a fortress. Vitamin D is the shield that protects your heart, pancreas, and kidneys from hidden threats. Do you get enough sunlight daily, or do you rely on supplements? Share in the comments. Step 3. Magnesium. Magnesium. This mineral is essential for controlling insulin and preventing dangerous blood sugar spikes. Seniors who take 300–400 mg daily or eat magnesium-rich foods like almonds, spinach, and pumpkin seeds often notice smoother blood sugar levels and better overall energy. Without enough magnesium, your body struggles silently, like an engine running without oil. Do you struggle with blood sugar swings? Comment below. Your story could help others recognize this hidden problem. Step 4. Omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3 fatty acids. These are essential for heart health, reducing inflammation, and protecting brain function. Seniors with diabetes often lack omega-3s, which increases their risk for heart disease and cognitive decline. Taking 1–2 grams daily from salmon, chia seeds, or high-quality supplements can dramatically improve heart and brain function. Changes you can feel in just a few weeks. Doctors say many seniors are genuinely surprised at how much these fatty acids can protect their most vital organs, yet it is rarely discussed. Are you getting enough omega-3s daily? Share your routine in the comments. Vitamin C. Often overlooked, vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that protects your cells from damage caused by high blood sugar. Just 500-1,000 milligram daily can reduce oxidative stress, support immunity, and protect your kidneys and eyes. Imagine giving your body a secret defense system that most diabetics never think about. And it's available to you right now, without prescriptions. Which of these vitamins surprised you the most? Comment below. Your insight could help someone else change their life. Combine these vitamins with a few simple daily habits. Eat a diet rich in colorful vegetables, fruits, and lean proteins. Move your body. Even light walking or gentle stretches can dramatically improve blood sugar and circulation. Monitor your blood sugar regularly to see real progress. These small, consistent actions can improve energy, protect organs, and slow diabetes progression after 60. Remember, it's the daily small steps that make the biggest difference over time. If this is helping you, hit the like button and subscribe. We share senior health tips every week that can truly change lives. Seniors who follow this 5-vitamin plan often report feeling more energetic, sharper, and healthier within just 2 to 3 weeks. Studies show improved insulin sensitivity, reduced inflammation, and better heart markers. Results that may feel almost too good to be true, but are completely natural. These vitamins aren't optional, they're essential. Missing them is like leaving your body defenseless against the hidden damage of diabetes. Start today and give your body the protection it deserves. So remember, vitamin B12, vitamin D, magnesium, omega-3s, and vitamin C, these 5 essentials can protect your organs, stabilize your blood sugar, and restore energy you may have thought was gone forever. What's the one health mistake you've noticed after turning 60? Share it in the comments below. Your story could help thousands of seniors. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more doctor-backed senior health tips, longevity secrets, and natural strategies to thrive after 60.